Good morning, students. In the previous lesson, we learned about the basics of the Indian Constitution and the key feature of the Indian Constitution. One of the most important key feature of the Indian Constitution we discuss, that is secularism. In short, we learn what is a secular state. The state neither favors any particular religion or discriminates against any religion. Secular state is a state which doesn't officially promote any one religion as the state religion. In a secular country, all religions are treated equally. Now, let us understand in detail about the secularism in the second chapter of social and political life, that is, understanding secularism. India is a secular country where religious freedom is given to the people. Though these people belong to different religions, they have same opportunities everywhere. For example, in job, in education. No one can discriminate on the basis of religions, caste, color. This we have already learned when we discuss about fundamental right, one of the key feature of the Indian Constitution, that is right to freedom of religion. But it doesn't happen in non-secular country. For example, in Saudi Arabia, non-Muslims are not allowed to build a temple, church, etc., and nor can they gather in a public place for prayers. Their state policy, government policy is they will promote only one religion. They are not ready to tolerate all religions in the country. Means all religions are not equal in Saudi Arabia. If we compare our freedom with other countries, being secular, religious freedom is provided to us. We can follow any religion of our choice without discrimination. Therefore, freedom we get in secular country is different than non-secular country. How? Let us see some other examples. When Hitler was ruling in Germany, at that time of the Second World War, Christians troubled Jews, persecute Jews. Why? Because of religion. So in non-secular country, there is discrimination, exclusion and persecution on the grounds of religion. Second example, Muslim and Christian minorities in Israel. When Christians troubled Jews, at that time, Jews made another country, Israel. They continue the discrimination. They discriminate Muslim and Christians. When discrimination happened in the country, when the people started to discriminate, when they start discriminate, when one religion is given official recognition by the state at the expense of other religion, that time we can see discrimination in the country. For example, in the country, if Hindu religion will be given official recognition by the state, at that time Hindu will become more powerful. Then they will start discriminate the other people, other religion people. So other people will feel insecure. They will suffer. It means people will start discriminate when one religion is given official recognition by the state. What is secularism? Secularism means keeping religion or religious beliefs apart from the governance of the state. Students, we have already discussed about the meaning of the state. The state here, it doesn't mean that Maharashtra state, Rajasthan state. No. The government means the body who rule the country. And here the state means the country. Separation of religion from the state. It means what? Let us understand this with the help of example. Students, religious matters and governance were connected to each other in the past. Like kings used to take the opinions of saints, pujaris, gurus, and then they applied while ruling the kingdom. It led to discrimination if that pujari saint were used to follow a kind of a religion. As kings used to take the opinion of the saints, pujaris, or the gurus, it led to discrimination sometimes because of the interference of these kings, pujaris in the matter of governance. Then religious matter and governance got separation from each other. As religion is separated from the state, can you tell me the reason, students, why it is important to separate religion from state? First reason to separate religion from the state is it is important to enjoy our fundamental right. One of the fundamental rights is given in the Indian Constitution is right to freedom of religion. All Indian citizens have freedom to choose or to follow the religion of his or her choice. Therefore, we can say that to enjoy our fundamental rights, it is important to separate religion from the state. Student, I have already explained the meaning of the state. State refers to the country here. State doesn't mean Maharashtra, Rajasthan or Gujarat. Here state refers to the whole country. The second reason to separate religion from the state is it is required for country to function democratically. Democratically means in democracy what we believe? We believe equality. We believe freedom. So state dominance should stop. In the countries, some religions are in majority and some are in minority. Majority means number of people are more and minority means number of people are less. What this majority will do with minority? If majority got an access to power, then it may use the power and financial resources of state. Why? To discriminate against minority religion. So, state can discriminate minorities. In this situation, if you want to give protection to state, then there is need to separate religion from the state. One more reason to separate religion from the state is it also helps to protect the freedom of an individual. Fundamental rights mentioned in the Indian Constitution have given us freedom. One of the freedom is individuals may wish to exist their religion, embrace other religion or want to interpret religious teaching differently. Yes, the other religious people may like the value of other religion. So they will exist their religion and will turn their religion into another religion. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, he was Hindu. But after that, he turned Hinduism into Buddhism. If the religions are not separated from the state, then state can forcefully tell to accept their one religion to all the people. Therefore, it is important to separate religion from the state. Student, I hope you have understood why it is important to separate religion from the state. In the next video, we will learn about Indian secularism. Thank you.